Hello, my Regrow beauties. So the purpose of this video is to give you a few tips and tricks on how to use Ultimate Regrow. First of all, we want to make it very clear why you do 6 capsules twice a day. Well, B vitamins are water soluble, so we want them consistently through the system. That's why we ask you to break up the dose into twice a day. It doesn't have to be 2 hours apart or 12 hours apart. Just do your best to try to do something in the early day and something later. Now, this is all you need. Your multivitamin, it's in here. Your antioxidant, it's in here. Your immune, zinc and vitamin C, it's in here. Vitamin D, it's in here. Your female support blend, yep, it's in here too. Then we top it off with not one but 2 proprietary blends for hair, skin, nails. Collagen, keratin, saw palmetto, biotin. That's why it works. When I was losing my hair and I was putting together my own regimen, the bottles looked even more than what's in this basket, and I was opening them one after another, and then I made little piles. Not anymore. This is all you need. So we want you to know this is all you need. Read the label. You'll understand it's all in one formula. Be consistent. If you're not consistent, you won't see the great results we want. Now, really important, it's a strong formula. A little something in your tummy. Some nuts. Sometimes what I'll do is open the capsule, pop it in yogurt. If I have yogurt anyway, it's really easy to do. You just open the capsule up and put it in and mush it around your yogurt. You can put it in your smoothie. You can put it in anything that you're comfortable with. Don't put it in melted chocolate. I tried that one time. It was absolutely horrible. So keep it to the smoothies and yogurt and maybe some soups or juices. And full glass of water, liquid juice. It's very important that the capsules get into the tummy, into your stomach, so the veggie capsule can dissolve and all the fabulous nutrients can be absorbed. And this little teeny capsule of capsules that we throw in with every order of ULU. If you didn't get one, just send us an email, melanie@sugarrx.com, and we will go ahead and we will send you one. This holds 25 capsules. Why is this important? Because it's just the right size. I always have it in my makeup bag. I always have one in my travel bag, briefcase, lunch bag. But that way, if you run out of the house and you're like, oh, I forgot to take my ULU, you're covered. Consistency is important. You're going to feel it in your skin, in your energy, in your hair, in your nails. And most importantly, you're going to feel good about you. Yeah, it's great if other people think you look fabulous. But the most important thing is how you feel about you. So visualize who you want to be, how you want to feel, and feel it. We're ULU, and we're here for you.